Hey guys, what's up, and thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will be understanding how to add social share button on your blog post so that people or readers who are reading your blogs, if they like it and if they want to share it, they can easily share on their social media platform in just single click. So in order to get started, you can see right now I have two dummy blogs on my website, demo 2 and demo 1, or you can say demo. So if you click on any of the blog or title, you can see this is the blog page or the demo blog page, and here you can see the featured image is there, title is there, and the description is there, but no share button is there. It means if I need to share this, I need to first copy the link, then I go to my social media handle, log in, paste, and then post. Nobody will do such kind of effort for for nothing, right? So we need to add social share button. So for that, we will go to WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, click on add new plugins. So we will perform this entire process in 3 simple steps. First, to install a plugin, second, to configure a plugin, and third, to integrate and check whether the functionality is properly working or not. So here we will simply search for social share. We will simply search for social share, and it will fetch all the possible plugins. And here 2 plugins I will recommend. The first is social media share buttons and social sharing icons, and second is sassy social share. Both the plugins have equal number of installation. You can go with any one. For this video I am choosing this one, so click on install now, and once the installation is completed, you can click on activate. So installation is done. Now click on activate button. And once the plugin is activated, our step number 1 is completed. Now let's move to step number 2, that is to configure this plugin. Once the plugin is activated, it will redirect you to the screen, and if does not redirect you, then you can see an option called ultimate social media icons. You can also click on this option. Once you click on this option, you will see the dashboard screen, and initially it will give you some welcome screen or something like that, so you can just skip it. And now we will go to the settings one by one. So which icons do you want to show on your site? That is number 1 thing. So by default, there are icons which are selected. You can uncheck or check. So I don't want people to share on email, share on RSS. It says you have already offered a newsletter. No, I don't want that. Deactivate. Don't review and exit. Then I want people to share this on LinkedIn as well, and to share on Telegram and WhatsApp as well. So these are the options that I want to choose, and after choosing, I can just click on save changes. So social media platforms I have selected. Now what do you want the icons to do? Like Facebook, to share my blog on Facebook, visit my Facebook page. If you only want to redirect users to your Facebook page, then you can check box this and you can add your Facebook profile link here. I will not keep disturb any setting, because by default settings are absolutely okay to fulfill my purpose. So I'll keep as it is, and then I again click on save changes just for confirmation. So it says invalid message. Okay, I selected the Facebook one. No, I don't want to select, so I can just refresh the ones. So first I have selected the number of platforms, then I have made no changes in the action. Now where shall they be displayed? So I want to display them on the post, that is show icons after post. Now in terms of appearance, I have 2 options: original option like this and responsive icons like this. So I want original icons like this, and then alignment on the left, yes, and then other settings I can keep it as it is. So now I have selected bare minimum 3 settings, and now others are optional. What design animation you want your icons, right? But let's first check whether the icons are in place or not. So this is my blog page again. If I refresh the page, I should see the blogs with social share icons like this. So what happens when I click on any of these? Let's say I click on Facebook share. So as soon as I click on this, I am redirected to my Facebook, and all I need to do just log into my Facebook account. That's it. And if I'm already logged in, it will create a post that I just need to post in a single click. It means I can share this blog in a single click with my social media network. Similarly, tweet or X, if I click on this, then it will be again redirected, but I need to log in first, right? So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, you know the drill. You need to like this video, subscribe to the channel,